Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change background in Payhip. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in payhip.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Payhip if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the dashboard, we have products, store, analytics, marketing, customers, and we have the account in the top right corner. We have store essentials in the middle of the screen, as you can see. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change background in Payhip. So first of all, you need to go and access your store builder. You can do that by clicking on the third option here in the top side of the screen and click on launch store builder. And then as you can see, your store builder will be launched. Then go to colors and choose your preferred color scheme. So you can go to colors, which is on the left side of the screen. Sorry, not on the left side of the screen, but here, and you can find it for the footer, header, or of course where you want to go and change. Of course that, and then you just need to go and start editing your colors. So you can go footer or header wherever you want. Here, as you can see, and select the, of course, you can also select the color scheme. So here, and then it will be of course changed. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.